Hey guys, it's me Omaira. I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys my newest model. As some of you might know, I love fashion. I also design, and I've been doing that for years. So here is the Easter doll, and we have got her fresh with a new design. So the main part I'm gonna show you. There is an accessory which is gonna be the special part matching with this dress, and will be shown in a. So guys, this is the accessory I wanted to show you in a snap as always. So let's try it on her. Her hair's kind of messy, but I did it because I wanted it color. Okay, so here it's kind of like a party hat or something. I just got it. I just made it out of an egg carton, and then I thought like, okay, let's go with this and put it in my Easter doll. So guys, the special three parts of this doll will obviously be the hat, this necklace which has very much of a nice detailing. Some of you might remember the necklace from my early video, which was from, I don't know, just a few months ago, but definitely last year, of that Barbie princess, the rainbow princess. So you might remember that necklace from her. And second, we have this belt, which is an amazing accessory. This belt is actually from her last outfit that she was wearing. It was inspired for an island vacation. Nice, right? And then we have this cape, which is definitely part where some of the viewers, which are my family members, might remember that I had made these paper, like normal tissue paper pieces, into blankets and bed sheets. So first of all, I made this a blanket, and I used a long fabric which we had at home for the bed sheet. We had the wood material to make a bed, so I made a bed. And guys, that is all for this doll and her colorful hair. Okay guys, so next up we have her. Kinda looking beachy, huh? So we've got her all ready for the beach, and yes, she is looking good. This is her. She is ready for the beach, and she is the sneak peek first model for the summer collection. So let's show her detailing. Okay, so now let's review all of her things. You guys can press that like button obviously to tell which one you like. Okay, so you guys can first see I have used a clutch and a colorful tribal designed fabric for a hair accessory which looks amazing, and her blue hair goes nice with her clothes. I've tried to make it as colorful as possible since it's a summer outfit. I'm gonna be showing more of the summer collections models, which will be shown till next week or even just in a few days. Let's see. Well, so then we have her summery beach skirt, which is kind of a mess, but messy is also a style. And then we have her rainbow t-shirt, which, if you guys have seen, is from the doll. I have the rainbow doll which comes with the glitter comb thingy. So if you guys remember, I might have shown in one of my videos about the doll with a glitter comb, and you can like comb her hair, and then the gel comes out. And yeah, you might remember this is her t-shirt, so I used it. So guys, this is it for today's video. and bye. See you next week.